Good morning, ladies and germs. Are you having the best apocalypse ever? I'm going to apologize for the gross changes in contrast because half of this thing is in shade and half it isn't. And, well, I'm too lazy to set up some more shade so that I can have consistent lighting. I'm enjoying this apocalypse a great deal, though, because it combines two of the things that are most dear to my heart. The first being not being around people, and the second thing being not being around people. But I think I finally got this thing figured out the way I want it to be. It was the sort of chop and flip design that's popular on the interwebs. But I didn't like the bottom part because there just wasn't enough volume in there, and there wasn't enough. I just didn't like it. It seemed kind of sketchy too because it's all wired on top and you can't make them like line up right. So it seemed like over time the wire might rust through or cut through the plastic. So I changed that all around. I rearranged some stuff inside of here too. So I've got these slots cut into the side of this pipe. The hose goes up the inside of the pipe, and the hose has, here we go, we're going to start the flush cycle here. It's going to get kind of loud. But the hose goes up the inside of this pipe from the pump, and has a cut split in it right about here or so that reduces the pressure it delivers up top. And it still needs to be reduced a little bit more, but I wanted to give somewhere for that pressure to go, so it comes out those slots. Because before, it was all splattering around out the top. This pipe isn't connected to anything, it just holds the hose inside of it. And it serves to kind of keep the pump located in one place so it doesn't wander around and float and suck fish into the bottom. You can see there, the bell valve is just about done. Like an old man trying to stop peeing. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, almost there. There we go. Now we're all done. You hear that big burp at the end where it sucks some water in and you know it's done. So I finally added the tilapia down there. If this thing would focus. I don't know why it does that. It focuses on the surface of the water, which isn't even visible to my eye. But apparently the IR or whatever this camera is using to do its focusing is very clear to it. But in blurry tones, you can see the tiny little tilapia there in the bottom. And then, of course, the goldfish are getting enormous. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this thing. The onions came from a field trip. My son went to a farm on a field trip and brought some onions back, and some of them were not great. My wife is kind of picky on that sort of stuff, and he brought back more food than we needed anyway. So instead of throwing them away, I just replanted them and see if they would survive, and they have, even being moved around and getting all bendy broken. So I guess the next step is I need to plant some opium poppies. I mean, probably lettuce, I think lettuce. What do you guys think? What should I attempt strawberries? I hear that's pretty difficult.